Good morning, students. Open your book at page number 29. Today, we are going to do exercise given on page number 29 and 30. That is question number 4 and 5. Before starting the exercise, let's recall the concept of this, that, these and those. First of all, we use this and that for singular thing or person. Singular means one. So, we use this and that for one person or one thing. But what is the difference between them? We use this for nearby thing or person and that for far away person or thing. Far means which is not near. We use this for nearby things and person and that for things and person which are far. Next is these and those. These and those are both used for plural person or plural thing. Plural means which is more than one in number. Plural means more than one. These we use for nearby thing or person and those we use for far away person or thing. This and that for singular thing or person. These and those for plural. This and these for near, that and those for far. Let's start with question number 4. Read the question carefully. Write questions for each of these. The first one has been done for you. You have to frame a question. Answers have already been given. You have to frame questions for them. Like first one has been done. Answer is, this is a pencil. And question is, what is this? Second answer is, those are some old books. Now books is plural and they are not near, so those has been used. Question is, what are those? What are those? C. This is a pen. Pen is a singular, one pen, and it is near, so this has been used. Question is, what is this? Next is, those are DVDs. Again, DVDs are plural and they are not near, so those has been used. Question is, what are those? What are those? Last is, that is a scooter. One scooter, singular. And scooter is not near, so that has been used. Question is, what is that? What is that? Next is question number 5. Read the question carefully. Fill in the blanks with this or these. Fill in the blanks with this or these. Now, this and these both are used for nearby person or thing. But the difference between them is this is used for singular and these used for plural. First sentence is dash is the picture my sister painted. So, what should be the answer? Singular picture, this. This is the picture my sister painted. Second, dash are my friends Farhan and Seema. Now there are more than 2 friends. So these are my friends Farhan and Seema. There is one more thing that you need to remember, that is we use is with singular noun and are with plural noun. Is with singular noun and are with plural noun. Now let's move on to the next one. Dash is the BBC World Service broadcasting from London. Dash is the BBC World Service broadcasting from London. Now singular noun, so we have to use this. This is the BBC World Service broadcasting from London. Next, hello. Dash is John speaking. Hello. Dash is John speaking. Again, singular noun John, one person. Hello. This is John speaking. Hello. This is John speaking. Last, dash are my crayons and those are yours. Dash are my crayons and those are yours. Answer is these are my crayons and those are yours. I'm sharing an answer key of both these questions with you. You can cross-check your answers and complete the book exercise given on page number 29 and 30, question number 4 and question number 5.